Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1965 Dodge Coronet. If you have any questions at the end of this video, don't hesitate to call us or email us. Come on up and let's check this beauty out. Looking across the front, we can see that the bumper has a brilliant shine. You'll also notice that the grille is in phenomenal condition. Down the sides, you can see that the paint has a beautiful finish. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that all the stainless lines up beautifully. Come on up and let's check out the interior. The blue and white two-tone color combo is a gorgeous accent to the medium blue exterior. Looking at the dash, you'll notice that the dash pad is beautiful and that the gauges and dash trim is all in excellent condition. Of course, the speedometer and gas gauges are working as they should. This Coronet has bucket seats up front along with a center console that houses an automatic shifter. This is a Power Top car that is working, and we can also see that it has the white boot for when the top is back. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. You can see that the rear bumper is just as nice as the front and also has a brilliant shine. Both taillight bezels are in great condition along with the lenses, and the trunk trim is very nice as well. You'll also notice that the trunk has an excellent fit with all the gaps being even and symmetrical. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can get a better appreciation for this Dodge Coronet. The body on the 65 is one of the most impressive I've seen, as all of the body panels line up beautifully. All of the moldings from the rockers to the side trim have a stunning shine. This factory look is pulled together by the factory style wheels with the correct spinner hubcaps and a set of white line tires. This medium blue paint has a stunning appearance and is also the factory option for this Dodge. Now that we've checked out the exterior, come on up and let's look under the hood of this Dodge. The power comes from the original 383 engine that's detailed out with the factory valve covers and sports the Magnum air cleaner. It's set up with the Edelbrock intake and the 650 Edelbrock carb. This Coronet comes with the power steering and power brakes with the disc on the front. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Dodge Coronet with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also like our Facebook page. Have a great day.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.